Clean the unit thoroughly with water before you use it. Start by pumping water through the pump. This is how you can verify also if the pump is pumping properly. Lower the pressure to 0 before you proceed to the next step. Lock the gun trigger. Remove the tip guard. The next step is running water through the hose and the gun. Put the pressure control knob in spraying position and spray into a bucket. Direct the gun to the side of the bucket before you raise the pressure. Don't forget to depressurize the gun by putting the prime pressure valve into the prime position before switching the unit off. The unit is now completely flushed with water. Now it's your turn.